Jordan brand continues its trend of remixing classics by transforming the coveted Air Jordan 1 High Rust Pink into a low OGE version. First released in 2017 for Art Basel, the original pairs have skyrocketed on the resale market, making this low-top alternative a more accessible option. The colorway features a mix of white, black, and rust pink, and while early mock-ups suggest it stays faithful to the original, final details may differ. Initially slated for 2025, the release has reportedly been delayed to 2026, and it's still uncertain whether the pair will make it to production. The shift from high to low top mirrors recent Jordan moves, catering to evolving sneaker tastes while fueling hype. With no official confirmation yet, fans should stay locked in for updates to see if the rust pink lows will drop, or just remain a dream.